guys, we're testing now our fire alarm system with my friend Nagitugnaw, Mr. Dante Dagwapo Amanchad.
Hello.
Hola amigo.
Hola. Record.
And here, see second room, second deck, engine room. Fire. We'll see how many minute and how many minutes does it takes for the smoke that it can activate the main alarm, because here in the bridge third is Gitugnaw, because here at the bridge it is already started alarming once it was sprayed or tested whatever location, or if the smoke was detected on the sensor right on the bridge, it will appear this alarm. So the duty officer will be aware that something is wrong, and he can see on the panel where is the location, and now it is activating now. So it takes around 1 minute and 30 seconds. So 1 minute 30 seconds to 2 minutes is okay. Right. See? Okay, my friend. Coming, we can reset, and thank you. Muchas gracias. See you now, alarming. Okay, thank you.